Safe to say right now, we guess have the hottest song on the road right now. Nation Boss, I go on family.
Blessings one day, you know?
That I go. Nation Boss, everybody know the song right now. A lot of people are hear the name, but we don't know the artist himself. Like, you know what I mean? Give it 3 words to describe your style.
Well, my musical style is like, it's unique, impeccable, you know what I mean, and out of the box.
A song like this, we know don't just come out of nowhere. When you have a song that resonates like this with so many people, we know so this will come from a deeper place. What was the specific inspiration behind this song? How you get that song?
It was basically pain, you know what I mean, just pain over the years, man, caused by humans though, not just any pain.
A collection of bad experiences.
Yeah, that is it.
So were you surprised at the reaction?
Most definitely. It's funny because them never really pay attention to the first freestyle that was posted like from 2019.
Yeah.
And there was no attention paid to that until this the humans freestyle went viral. Then everyone started noticing that, yo, you know, it's been there.
Why did you decide to have this song produced by Troublemaker?
I did really want to do some work with Troublemaker from Tala time, so when he reached out to me after seeing the freestyle as well, I never hesitate, because it was like already in the vision.
What's one of the most memorable exchanges that you've had or experiences that you had since the song go viral like this?
Like before this, I could have got every and anywhere without anyone even noticing me.
Yeah.
And just to be just to be even just driving past and being recognized from a moving vehicle by everyone now.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that crazy.
Crazy,
real crazy.
It's like a little getting used to.
Yeah, the whole heap of getting used to. I'm like, I say it already, I'm a sanguine type of person, isolated to the max. I don't really do the crowd thing.
Yeah.
So if you like see that type of vibe, it kind of take a while to get used to for real. Nah,
like it's intimidating for you.
For real, like, you know. Remember, me not like humans, you know. So.
One nation boss.
Video is just so impressive. It's probably one of the baddest local videos them ever see in terms of it's so simple, but yet so poignant and so effective and so creative.
The concept now, hands class, eyes closed, RD Studios, praises, you know what I mean?
RD Studios concept.
Yeah man, them do a great job. Ruption did a great job. Yeah man, it was done, well to me it was done to perfection. I don't know about the outside eye, but to me.
Well the feedback, it says
the feedback crazy, like it just proves that the work was done timely and, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Accurate.
Was that your first music video?
First.
How would you feel if you know say your first music video was done by Eruption and get the feedback there?
Like it's a kind of unexplainable moment, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Can't really explain the feeling.
Now, earlier before you forward, the producer played me a track with them, said them a prayers the follow-up right now. Look like you're in the lab, man, your work, man.
You know, somebody kind of hope you never spill the beans, though, man.
No, we're not spilling the beans, though. We're not spilling the beans, though. We're just people
man.
Have the follow-up.
We are do the right thing, you know what I mean? Because, like, we have to just stay consistent. We can't get complacent and comfortable right now. We have to just stay hungry and continue grinding, you know what I mean? Because we're gonna stop.
Yeah. And if you listen carefully now,
Is there anybody that you're looking forward to maybe collaborating with?
Most definitely. Massacre, I'm an artist, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, I listen a whole heap of Massacre from Tala times. Chronicler, I'm an artist just the same.
Yeah.
Them and the music relatable to whole heap of events when me been through, like experiences when me had with people, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, yeah, is a definite thing that I'm look forward to doing collab with them two artists there.
Who are some of your musical influences?
Brenton Levy, I'm have a whole heap of impact on my music style as well, you know what I mean? Well, everybody know, who wanna listen Cartel? Yeah, him have some music where I can relate to.
Yeah.
So, yeah man, most definitely. People like the giant name, Bounty Killer, man, they do great work in the industry where I have to really give them props and no say, I respect you.
Recently, the Prime Minister make a talk where I feel like dancehall was, a lot of it was promoting, some of dancehall was promoting violence, you know what I mean, especially certain types of songs. as an artist, how you feel about that perspective?
But now I say it not have a negative impact on what going now with the crime rate, but it's not all. The government is like they're complacent as well. There's a lot of other crimes being done that has nothing to do with lyrics being sung or lyrics of a song. You know what I mean? They're not paying attention to the right things.
So it's a more deep-rooted problem.
Yeah,
for you.
most definitely. Like, I think them a look on it with the right perspective. It's way more than what they see or what they choose to pay attention to.
That I go on. Talk to me a little bit now about what next for Nation Boss. We don't know, so you work on the next single for drop for all those who are say, yo, I hope Nation Boss is not a one-hit wonder. We know Troublemaker don't make we know so the next single are forward in short order.
Yeah,
what next? Is there an album, an EP? What can the fans look out for?
Well, we're not going to look at an EP as it. We want to get like at least a few more singles out. But yeah most definitely we are going to take on an EP in the near future. Album as well, most definitely, man. We have a whole heap of work for do right now. We have enough soul music for the people. So I just one step at a time. We have to do the right thing.
That I go on. My last thing on Nation Boss, I want to tell the people what most makes you, Nation Boss, intense.
My humility.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
That I go on. A humble soldier. That I go on. The nation, him name might not show that, but him humble. I really, Nation Boss, big up yourself.
Blessings, man.